Welcome back to another episode of Project Manager Wisdom. I hope to earn your like and your subscription. I read every comment and appreciate the time you put into them. Today, we will answer Nordic Ranger, who emailed, help me at howtoprojectmanage.com. I work on a project that's a mess. Our $3 million customer is super upset. Is about to churn. There's a lack of leadership. No one wants to take responsibility. What should I do? Well, Nordic Ranger, don't fret. I've got the answer. Nordic Ranger writes in with a serious problem. Losing a $3 million customer is no laughing matter, no matter what size the organization. A lack of leadership, a lack of responsibility, a lack of ownership, I get it. This account has probably been suffering for some time and slowly decaying from prior poor decisions or simply a lack of decisions from leadership. But here's your chance, Nordic Ranger. Walk yourself into the VP's office and volunteer. That's right, volunteer. Don't go in and complain. Don't give a detailed recap of all the poor decisions that put you in this situation and the current temperature of the customer. Trust me, the VP already knows, and in fact, everybody probably knows, and it's being discussed in leadership meetings. Write this down, practice it, then walk calmly into the VP's office and say the following. Hey VP, I know we're going through some real difficulties with this customer. It's a big critical account for our organization. I would like to make an offer. Put me in charge for fixing this situation. Give me 3 months. If it doesn't work out, blame everything on me. But when it does work out, I will come back to you and we can negotiate my new role and my new benefits. I propose we start this tomorrow. That's it. That's all you have to say. The VP may ask you a question or maybe two, but he won't want to ask too many. Leadership is busy. If they have not already found a way to take care of a $3 million account, it's probably because they're consumed and tending to a $30 million account, or maybe something worse. They have no idea how to fix it. So this is your chance. You can fix it. You take the glory and you make the customer happy and create a new life for yourself. Because see, leadership wants answers and you have them. They want action and they want somebody else to take responsibility. Good luck, Nordic Ranger. If you think this is good advice, give this video a thumbs up. And for more Project Manager wisdom, subscribe and follow. Check out previous episodes and get project management tools at howtoprojectmanage.com.